Are you struggling to find consistent freelance writing jobs? Tired of chasing low-paying gigs, with little to show for your effort? If so, this video is for you. It won't just inspire you, it'll show you what's possible, on the other side of the struggle. As a writer, I know how exhausting it is to send pitch after pitch, only to hear crickets. And not even the friendly Disney kind. Or worse, being offered exposure as payment. As if that pays the rent. Thanks, but my landlord doesn't accept compliments. I've lived that struggle too, and I know how it feels. Now, notes like the one on screen brighten my day. And now, I get paid, consistently. When I started freelancing, we were expecting our first child. Bills were piling up. I didn't own a laptop. Couldn't even afford internet. Still, I pitched, daily. But nothing worked. Eventually, I found a legit-looking site, begged my uncle to buy me books, prepped hard, and still failed. Here's what they said, on screen. Dear Dan, we're sorry to inform you that your writing skills do not meet our requirements. I was crushed. And I cried like a baby for days. But I didn't quit, and things change. Let's be real. Freelance writing is tough. It's a crowded marketplace, with everyone bargaining for the same work. And with AI rising, some writers have been wiped out. It can feel hopeless. And quitting may start to feel like the only option. I get it. I really do. But hear this, you're not alone, and you're not done. You see, finding steady freelance work is like landing your first job. Remember when you applied for that job? You got rejected. But you kept going, because you had bills to pay. You broke through, and slowly built up your career. Freelance writing is no different. You've got to keep pushing. Even when it's hard. If you're still searching, don't give up. That breakthrough client might be hiding behind their inbox like a ninja. Every great writer you admire, including your favorites, has been through this. They felt the sting of rejection, but they kept showing up. And eventually, the doors opened. Yes, I know it stings to spend hours crafting the perfect pitch, only to hear, "Thanks for your submission. It's not a fit at this time." Those emails hit hard. But rejection isn't the end of the world. It doesn't mean you're not talented. I've learned, through many painful rejections, that sometimes your pitch gets ignored for reasons you'll never know. Maybe there's no opening. Maybe your style doesn't match. Maybe they can't afford you. Or, you're overqualified. So, don't let it break you. Just send one email today. Follow up on that pitch. Remember, small actions lead to big wins. Think of clients like ninjas, hiding behind inboxes, waiting for just the right pitch. Sometimes they vanish like smoke. But one day, one sneaky ninja will say yes. Maybe you've done everything the experts say, and still have no steady work. I've lived it. But before you quit, ask yourself, who else needs your voice? Where else could your writing make an impact? Too many writers stay in one lane, even when it's blocked. But what if your breakthrough is in a lane no one's using? So instead of complaining, why not start a blog? Launch a YouTube channel. Post on Substack or Medium. The great writers made it, without any of this. And still, they thrived. Gabe Dunn did it. Karen Cherry did it. And their careers transformed. Remember, you're not just a writer. You're a creator. And your words matter. They heal. They inspire. So don't quit. You still have options. You might be surprised, but there are hidden writing jobs right in your town, like product descriptions, custom wedding vows, heartfelt tributes, and so much more. They're real, local, and low competition, and yes, they actually pay well. By the way, I created a free guide with 20 of these gigs. Want a copy? Click the link in the description and pinned comment. Then subscribe to this channel, because I'll show you how to land them in upcoming videos. Grab your guide. Hit subscribe, so you don't miss a thing. And remember, the world needs your words. So don't give up, unless it's 3 a.m., your coffee's cold, and your laptop crashes. Then yeah, take a nap. But come back, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, grab your free guide that lists 20 high-paying writing gigs in your area you can earn money from. You'll find it in the description and pinned comment below. And yes, it's totally free.